Hi everyone, today we are going to crochet this simple and practical cat cable holder. First, make a slip knot and work 25 chain stitches. Then slip stitch into the 8th chain counting backward from the end. Starting from the next stitch, work 1 double crochet into every stitch. Work 4 double crochets into the last stitch. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch along the other side, for a total of 16 stitches. Next, work 9 single crochets into the gap. Pull out a long yarn tail, cut the yarn, then weave the tail inside the fabric to hide it. Now let's make the cat's ears. Make 1 chain stitch at the 6th stitch from the right side. Then work 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Make 1 more chain stitch, insert the hook into the 2 loops below and make a slip stitch. Work another half double crochet into the same stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 ear is finished. Slip stitch 2 stitches toward the middle. Then work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Into the following stitch, work 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Insert the hook through the 2 lower loops and make a slip stitch. Work 1 more half double crochet and 1 single crochet. The second ear is done. Sew on 2 eyes, and your project is completely finished.